Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Facebook avatar, and this is actually very easy. At first, on the right side, click on your profile and this should come up, and then you're going to click on see more. As you can see, this option called avatars pops up. You click on this one. As you can see, it says loading your avatar. So you can either click a selfie or just click on create manually. So let's say this is your skin tone. So this is for your skin tone, as you can see, and it's gonna generate the person how they think you look like. Click on next. You can see there's like multiple hairstyles, different ones that you can go ahead and choose from. How do you think you look like, or what is closest to your hairstyle? And then click on next. As you can see, face shape, so you can choose your face shape from here. They have plenty of this. If I click on see all, as you can see, they almost have every face shape possible. And let's say we go with this one for now. And then you can see that you could also like manually adjust it, cheek fullness, things like that, jaw size, chin size. As you can see, it's very much adjustable. Click on next, and then what exactly is your body type? Is your build slim or are you fat? Do you have any muscles? As you can see, it's very fun to play around. And then shoulders, if you want big shoulders. Bust, let's not do that. Waist, as you can see, do you want a slim figure or do you want a fat figure? I mean, what are you? Things like that. And then click on save and continue. As you can see, avatar saving, and this is it for the video. And there are more things that you can just go ahead and try with, but this is the basics. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.